weather, visibility, cover issue, आए दिन इनका power loss, braking issues, जैसे कि the Cessna pilots don't fly DA code. They do provide roster. I don't know to what extent that is followed.
Were there any hidden charges? Is there any entrance exam to join Pioneer? How many aircrafts are there? Approx students कितने होंगे वहाँ पे? Will you join the same school if you are given a second chance?
I would say no.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but here we are. And today we are joined by a student from Pioneer Aviation Academy, which is based in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. So let's start by asking him about the current fees at Pioneer Aviation Academy.
So as of now, as of today, the students are joining at 54 or 55 lakhs, and they are going to increase the fees from 1st of Jan, New Year, and they are going to increase by 2 lakhs as far as I know. सीपीयू का कॉस्ट काफ़ी बढ़ चुका है पाइनियर पे जो फीस का स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज only inclusive of the flying part, not the ground process, not the hostel or transportation thing.
Okay, and hostel Pioneer provide करता है क्या?
Pioneer को provide करता है but like you can like बाहर ले सकते हो. Like they are pretty expensive and थोड़ा hostel मैंने सुना है कि they suffer with the food and everything. तो वही है कि बाहर उस सेम सोसाइटी में बाहर ले सकते हैं लोग. अच्छा for cheaper price. I don't know.
Okay. Or were there any hidden charges that you were not aware at the time of joining और बाद में आपको पता चले?
ऐसा था यार like I'm in the middle of my CPL, like almost in the middle of my CPL, like 40% work. Oh, I would say कि अभी तक तो ऐसे I haven't come across any hidden cost till now कि all of a sudden they come and asking for this amount for something that ऐसा उन्होंने ना मुझे मेरे फ्लाइंग में कभी परेशान किया है ना आजकल जो सीन चलता है फ्लाइंग स्कूलों में आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम मेनी ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स की लाइक उनने अपना फीस स्ट्रक्चर ही पूरा चेंज कर दिया कि चीज़ हमारे यहाँ नहीं होती है वो अभी तक कुछ हुई भी नहीं है तो या जो पैकेज उन्होंने मेरे को डिस्क्लोज किया था सॉर्टेड है
All right.
इंस्टॉलमेंट्स भी लाइक पूरी एग्जॉस्ट हो जाती है तभी मांगते हैं ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी भी मांग लेते बैलेंस है तो बट ठीक है मतलब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इस मांग ठीक है.
Okay. And is there any entrance exam to join Pioneer? If not, then what is the entrance process like?
No, there is no thing like entrance exam at Pioneer like. But I wish कि होता क्योंकि थोड़ा stringent होते हैं rules आप थोड़ा क्वालिटी मतलब स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करते हैं फॉर द एडमिशन प्रोसेस तो अच्छा होता है बट फॉर द टाइमिंग नहीं है अभी कोई एंट्रेंस नहीं है बस यू हैव टू मेक द कॉल एट देयर दिल्ली ऑफिस टॉक अबाउट द फीस एंड डन यू आर डन.
Okay. And how many aircrafts are there at Pioneer?
Right now, they have three DA-40s. One is also on the way line. एक Volcon इनका customs में है. Three Cessna 152, two 172 and one multi. And एक 172 इनका बहुत पहले क्रैश हुआ था तो वो अभी बन के लाइक इनने काफ़ी बना लिया है तो वो भी it will come into commission very soon, like in next 5-6 months. और इनका जो 152 है उसमें से like to be very honest इनके 52s बहुत ठीक भी नहीं है बहुत ख़राब भी नहीं है बट आई वोंट से कि ख़राब है ये आए दिन इनका like the very next day the students face the problem of power loss और ब्रेकिंग इश्यूज और कुछ ना कुछ उनके फैक्टर्स में चलता रहता है तो वो एक मेजर कंसर्न है सबसे बड़ा पावर लॉस वाला.
Mm-hmm. All right. और approx students कितने होंगे वहाँ पे?
स्टूडेंट्स यार काफ़ी है वही चीज़ खराब है इन सेइंग कि थिंग्स आर गुड लर्निंग दे से themselves कि they are the biggest flying academy in North India and they are correct about that कि इनका फीस साइज बड़ा बट इनका स्टूडेंट रेशो भी बहुत बड़ा, लाइक स्टूडेंट टू एयरक्राफ्ट रेशो बहुत बड़ा है. Like they maintain around, I guess, I would say 130, 140, 150 के around approx बच्चे होंगे total academy में, I would say.
अच्छा.
Including every stages like initial, classy, at the end और ऐसा बीच में सब कुछ.
और इंस्ट्रक्टर्स कितने होंगे?
As of current scenario, काफी instructors आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं. Like many are doing better, they come into commission. For now, जो permanent है, 8 to 9 instructors are there.
Okay.
And some of them are into all the aircraft. Some are in just Cessna, some are in only in DA. It's like that.
अच्छा, तो हाउ इज इट डिसाइडेड कि कौन सा स्टूडेंट किस एयरक्राफ्ट पर रेटिंग करेगा, या सबको सारे एयरक्राफ्ट पर रेटिंग करना इज कंपलसरी?
So, as per my experience, as I got allotted the aircraft, it's all about like in this academy, they distribute the students on the basis of their body weight. Or yes, इसी basis में होता है. And the second thing comes into like the load factor on that aircraft. Like I weigh pretty high, so they have allotted certain to me. It's not easy to shift myself from Cessna to DA. ऐसा जैसे कि the Cessna pilots don't fly DA code ऐसा.
अच्छा. And how often do you get to fly? For example, if we take one particular week, तो उस week में how many days will be there कि जिसमें you are flying?
I would say like in my initial days when I was just before solo or till solo, I used to fly in great numbers in a week, like three times to pakka या फिर 4 times on a good week, like 3 week to 4 week. Then it all started depending on weather, then visibility. The biggest challenge here in North India was visibility के कारण after I got solo. तो visibility वाला फैक्टर मुझे इतना फ्लाई नहीं करने देता था. वो चीज़ है. As of now, I am not flying very much, very frequently.
फॉग का इशू है, राइट?
बहुत कबाल इशू है, बहुत सारा like बहुत. I can't explain, like मैं हर बार जितने मैंने सोलो किया है आफ्टर गेटिंग चेक फ्री, आई गेस मैंने जितने भी सोलो आज बिल्ड किया हर बार मैंने चेक दे के ही फ्लाई किया है, क्योंकि इतनी बुरी हालत हो जाती है. हर 10-12-15 दिन फ्लाई करता हूँ.
So next is, how is the quality of your instructors at Pioneer? So do they genuinely teach, or you feel like they're just logging their hours and pushing students?
To be very honest, I don't know about different schools like के वहाँ क्या मतलब ground classes होती हैं, briefing होती है, debriefing होती है. But I would say कि they take briefing. The instructors have just now started to take briefing of the students, but briefing part is not that good. I would say briefing and ground classes thing is not that good. It's mostly about flying, logging hours, just like that. वो जो एक ground knowledge वाली बात है, if you have come cracking all your exams, or without that, I think everyone is treated or flown exactly same, right? वो कोई depend नहीं करता है. And the reason part at academy, it's not that I would say no, वो चीज़ नहीं होती है. It's majorly about flying.
Okay. And how is it decided ki who will get to fly, and do they provide like a roster or something?
They do provide roster every single day, but I don't know to what extent that is followed. Like, it all depends on firstly, the availability of aircraft. Then, if the instructor is there, he would choose on the basis of the current scenario of a student की कौन थोड़ा पीछे है, कौन थोड़ा आगे. Then थोड़ा वो फेवरिज्म वाला चीज हो जाता है कुछ कुछ बच्चों, तो they get to fly very frequently. But it all depends on availability of aircraft and the planning of instructor.
I have a final question for you. Will you join the same school if you are given a second chance today?
I would say no. Nay, I wouldn't choose the Pioneer Flying Academy. Again, like first, my concern would be the region. The North India is my biggest concern. Like fog is next level thick and problematic thing here. तो वो चीज़ होगी। एंड द सेकंड थिंग वुड कम दैट द एयरक्राफ्ट टू स्टूडेंट रेशियो इज डेफिनेटली है, तो वो सेकेंडरी रीज़न होगा इस चीज़ के लिए। Then third, I would say कि quality of training for me, I would say I would prefer something else like the School of India.
Okay, and do you have any other suggestion for students कि आपके कोई friends किसी school में होंगे and you might think they are doing decent, so you can go and check out that school. Any suggestions?
आई वुड से कि जब मेरा सजेशन ये होगा कि जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया था कि सबसे बड़ा आज का सीपीएल के टाइम में सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न आता है फीस स्ट्रक्चर। तो एक स्टूडेंट जब ज्वाइन करने आता है विदाउट मच नॉलेज अबाउट दी फ्लाइंग थिंग एंड ऑल, उस टाइम बस एक फीस बहुत मेजर फैक्टर होता है, तो वो देखते हैं। तो दे डोंट कंसिडर वो एयरक्राफ्ट स्टूडेंट रेशियो वेदर, और वो जेनुइनली एक पार्ट है कंसिडर करने वाला, सबसे बड़ा पार्ट है जस्ट एट द लेवल ऑफ कंसिडरिंग द फीस ऑल पार्ट। तो मैं उस चीज़ को बोलूँगा हर एक स्टूडेंट को कि वो कंसिडर करें। एंड इफ मुझे चांस दिया जाए देन आई वुड डेफिनेटली चूज some other schools of India, like I would say Harvard, Duke, so that's it good in the price range। और एक चेतक एविएशन अकेडमी, ये तीन मैं डेफिनेटली कंसिडर करूँगा। एंड फोर्थ फ्लाईओला, फ्लाईओला।
Okay. All right. So I think I'm done with my question. And if you have anything to add up, Joe, you think is important for someone who might be interested in joining Pioneer, then you can say it out.
I would say कि if you have the cost barrier, like वो चीज़ नहीं है सब एक ही लेवल पे पहुंच गया। 50 लाख 65 लाख इंडिया में सारी स्कूल थे, प्राइस वाला फैक्टर तो ठीक है, बट और कोई रीज़न है कि दिल्ली में जॉब है सब कुछ है, लाइक ज़्यादा दूर नहीं मूव करना, देन ओनली choose Pioneer Flying Academy. Otherwise, you have ample amount of schools down in India, like in Ampi or down in Hyderabad side, या फिर Mune side, या फिर Odisha side. You can consider them rather than choosing a school in North India.
Okay, thanks a lot for sharing your experience, and it will definitely help a lot of student pilots. I think we can end it here.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
If you want me to continue the series and make more such videos on some other flying school, then you can let me know in the comments which flying school you want me to cover next. And if you yourself are a student of a particular flying school and you want to share some insights about this school, then you can fill a form which is attached in the description, from where we'll set up a quick anonymous call and you can share your thoughts about a particular school there. And guys, do not take this video as a guide to avoid or join any particular flying school. Do your own research because this is based on one student's personal experience at a flying school. So do your own research and then only decide which flying school you want to join or avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.